How do you get this idea to create this progress planner? And what was the trigger point?
But also a bit of product owner, and that's the cool thing about being a small company is I get to wear so many hats. Yeah, and my ultimate goal is to leverage the network that I have in WordPress to get the word out on Progress Planner.
You are seeing WordCamp Asia as a good channel to promote your product, right? And how it's going? Do you get any interested people?
A bigger problem that people just stop working on their website basically, especially if you're a smaller business. Maintaining your website is not your core business. It's not the main thing where you get your energy.
As you know, there's a lot happening in today's world. AI.
And it's slightly different from WordCamp Europe and WordCamp US, the other flagships, because there's a lot more end users and small business owners.
So hey everyone, so welcome back, and it's day 3 of WordCamp Asia, and lot is going to happen today, and I think it was very good experience so far in these 2 days, and even everyone is excited to see which is going to be the next host city, right? And it will be declared in today's closing ceremony. So we have Taco with us today, and he's working with WP Amelia. So hi Taco. So would you like to tell us a bit about yourself and what do you do?
Sure. So I recently joined Emilia, which is the company behind the brand Progress Planner, as you can see today. And Progress Planner is a new plugin to help people stay active on their website. So what we see is that people spend a lot of time building a new website, but then they have to do maintenance and they sort of forget about that. And we try to make that fun. So you get points, you get gamification to keep people working on their websites. And my role in the company is customer support, is marketing, because that's why I'm here at WordCamp Asia, for example. But it's also a bit of product owner. And that's the cool thing about being a small company is I get to wear so many hats. And my ultimate goal is to leverage the network that I have in WordPress to get the word out on Progress Planner.
So how do you get this idea to create this Progress Planner? And what was the trigger point for this?
So most of the people who are currently at Emilia used to work at Yoast before. And what we saw a lot is that people installed the Yoast SEO plugin and then didn't really do anything with it. They sort of assumed, okay, now we're done. Now we have SEO. And so we looked into that problem and saw that it's not just at Yoast, but that this is a bigger problem that people just stop working on their website basically. Especially if you're a smaller business. Maintaining your website is not your core business. It's not the main thing where you get your energy from. You're a carpenter, you're a marketing specialist, you have something else that you build your business for, and maintaining your website is just one of the tasks that you have to do. So that's something that we saw happen everywhere, is that people just don't do enough. And thus miss opportunities with their website.
So my next question is how you are seeing WordCamp Asia as a good channel to promote your product, right? And how it's going? Do you get any interested people who are really interested? Because I remember I also see the demo of your product once, right? So and I think it's pretty cool. So how you see WordCamp Asia as an opportunity to promote it?
So what I've seen at the previous WordCamp Asia is that, and it's slightly different from WordCamp Europe and WordCamp US, the other flagships, because there's a lot more end users and small business owners coming to WordCamp Asia. And so the opportunity to talk to them, to learn what they need from Progress Planner is just a fantastic opportunity. And I'd love to have done that in a sponsor booth, but now I'm doing that in just in-person conversations.
So have you attended any session here?
Yeah, I have.
Which one, and what was the interesting session you find here?
So I really liked Miriam Schwab's session on the GPL.
Okay.
Because she shows how hard it can be to build a business on GPL software. But she also was really good at explaining the value of the GPL. So I liked that session a lot. And I went to the session by Matthias Ventura on sort of it was a bit of a broader overlay on where are we going with Gutenberg and the whole idea behind the philosophy behind the Gutenberg block editor project.
Yeah. So as you know, like there's a lot happening in today's world, AI, right?
Yep.
And would you like to share anything which Yoast is going to be coming with some AI features? I think it's already been rolling out in some aspect.
Yes. Yeah. So I'm no longer at Yoast. What their plans are, I don't fully know. But yeah, I was on the panel about AI where we had people from Stellar, Michelle Frechette speaking, Noel Tock from Human Made, Gabriella Lester from Elementor, and Neil, very hard last name, I'm sorry Neil, from Automatic. And they shared their insights on where they feel AI is going. And basically the consensus we reached there is AI is an opportunity if it makes sense for your business. So you shouldn't be implementing AI just to have AI, but it should really be solving a business need, make something easier for your customers.
Yeah, because a lot of people are doing it for the namesake, and that's AI, and like they are doing nothing, and it's still they are calling it AI.
Yeah.
So, any word for WordCamp Asia organizing team, volunteers, and any feedback for them or appreciation for them?
Well, this is the second time for me coming to the Philippines, and very much like the last time, the food here, absolutely amazing. So that's really well done. Even at the large numbers WordCamp Asia has, Contributor Day was very good. Though it was really busy. I mean, over 700 people attended Contributor Day, so that was well done. I think overall it's a really good experience, and like you said earlier, I can't wait to see where we're going next.
Yeah, absolutely. So thank you very much, Taco, and we really appreciate you give your time to us, and thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks.